everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is the last day. Actually, by the time you'll be seeing this, I will be on the plane headed to Honolulu. And I am very excited about this. Waited quite a while for this vacation. I found out that I cannot do a live from there. So, if possible, I will try and do a video or two during the week if I can. But if I can't, I will apologize now. And I'll make up with it with a lot of pictures on my way, on the way home when I come back. So I'm gonna finish off my month of July, my Christmas in July, where I had such fun. Yeah, I really enjoyed this immensely. This whole idea of this Christmas in July. That can't seem to get it out of my head here. So I'm gonna do one last thing before I go. And I thought of a Christmas quilt. And I thought about the root comb that I started to use. And then I kind of pushed it off to the side at one point. And I haven't used it in quite a while. So I put some of that red and some of that green paint into those root combs today. And I'm going to use this white background here. And I'm going to see what we get. Because I think that would make a beautiful patchwork quilt. Or at least one part of a patchwork quilt. So yeah. Let's give this a whirl. Just gonna squeeze a drop here first. And there we go. Oops, I did want to torch that. Got some bubbles there because I decided to shake that bottle up before I put it down. Should have thought about that. Okay, so here we go. Get a little closer to this. Try and get as straight as I can. Oops. And I did put it on here because I'm going to stretch that out as much as I can. And here we go. There's one. Two. Oh, I wonder if I should alternate. Well, maybe that's too late now. I guess I'll go across in green. And I'll come down in the red. Oh, no, no, no. I did not want to do that. Oh, darn. All right. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. Let me give this a whirl and see what happens when we give that a spin. Oh, well, that looks pretty cool. Kind of brought that out a little bit. see, bring it a little faster. Okay, so maybe I can. All right, so let me go again with the green. Let's go this way. Oh, I like this. I am liking this. Oh, yes. I am liking this. Cool, cool. So went that way, went that way, went that way. Maybe you can make an X, marks the spot. Plus sign. And see what that says. That's looking crazy cool in there. I'm going to go white, white, and white, and white. And green. Green. And red. And I think I might make this my last, but we'll see how it looks. You know what? I think we have, I think there's enough here for right now. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. You let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it at this. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Signing off. I'll give you a close-up on this. And hopefully you'll hear from me during the week from Honolulu, Hawaii. And hope everybody has a great Sunday evening, Monday morning, and we'll see you tomorrow or the next day or one day during the week. Thank you for coming, everyone. Give me a thumbs up if you think I deserve it for this, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye now.